Ever experienced laggy video calls or slow game downloads at home? That was me, frustrated with unstable, unreliable internet connections daily. I searched everywhere for a solution that truly delivers speed. Then I discovered the FEDUS RJ45 CAT5 Ethernet patch cable. What instantly caught my eye? The gold-plated shielded connectors. These connectors eliminate interference, ensuring ultra-stable, high-speed data transfer. I plugged it in. Boom. Streaming, gaming, and work all became lightning fast. No more buffering, dropped calls, or slow downloads, just seamless connectivity. It's flexible, durable, and supports up to 1 Gbps, perfect for every device. Now my entire setup, from PC to smart TV, runs flawlessly. Why settle for lag when you can have blazing fast, stable internet? Ready to upgrade your connection? Don't wait, grab yours now. People are loving this. Just long press on the link in the description below to explore reviews, details, and deals.